a bag full of stuff. It's big and heavy, and I'm gonna go through it, so stay tuned. I told you a few times that I was in Europe for a little bit, and I'm sure you already saw my makeup haul and my French skincare haul. So now I have everything else. What's left? Possible not, because I'm sure I can find some stuff laying around. But I'm gonna show you what I have in this, I don't know, bag. So in that case, I can make some space on the shelves. Let me start with the moisturizer. That's the Evelyn Cosmetics Royal Snail. That was the moisturizer with a snail mucin in it. So besides snail mucin, it has coenzyme CoQ10, hyaluronic acid. This one is already empty because I use it up, but I decided to show it to you. It was a neat moisturizer. I did like it. I would say it's perfect for summer or for oily skin, but for winter not so much because I have to put 2 layers. But otherwise, for the price, it was good product. Then from Nivea, I have their Q10. What is it? It's a serum with Q10. I do enjoy the one from Indeed Lab. Oh, hey, look. There's a little bubbles. What does it? Yeah, coenzyme Q10 and creatine. Okay, definitely I'm gonna put this into use. Let me see. Yes, it does has a pump. All right, so go back. So yes, I am excited for this product. From Zios, I have their keratin heat spray, heat protection. I use this, so it's gonna be easier for me to brush my hair. So technically, I use this as a leave-in conditioner, but as a heat protection, I don't know. However, the next day my hair was a little bit oilier, so that's one thing which you have to watch out. But if using to style your hair, I will say it's alright. Caudalie, I have their cream SOS Hydration Intense Moisturizing Cream. Caudalie, they use grapeseed oil in their product. I don't know if this product is good or bad. It's still sealed, so I'm not gonna open it, but at least I can show it to you. Sticking with Caudalie, that's their Instant Foaming Cleansing Moisturizing Grape Purifying Sesh 50 ml. It was the actual foam. I did like it. I use it in the morning, and it was gentle on the skin. Got hand cream from Jaya, and I think I use it up because the tube is almost empty, and it's very light in texture. So this is, it has a light scent, but it's a pleasant scent. This is perfect in between the washes. OCD person in me want to separate this into categories. However, I have here so much stuff that I'm gonna just go along or just go with whatever I pick up from the bag. So the next thing is another hand cream from the same brand, like this one. This was olive oil. This is from avocado. I do enjoy avocado face cream from this line, so that's the reason why I pick it up, and I'm hoping it's gonna be good. Hey, talking about the avocado, that's the moisturizer which I do enjoy it. I can buy this product here, but in a small size, which is 50 ml or 1.7 ounce. This is 100 ml or 3.4 ounces, which is double. So the fun fact, this is double of the size and maybe cost a quarter of what I have to pay for it in the States. So yes, I did pick it up, the tube of the avocado cream. It's really great, I would say, especially during the winter time, or if you need some protection. It's one of those products which works and you enjoy using it. This is for dry and tired skin, and yes, that's what it does, because it will hydrate your skin and make it look way better. Another hand cream. This is the empty hand cream with buckthorn and olive oil, and similarly as with this one, it was light in texture, and I was using in between the washes. We can buy Garnier here in the States, but back in Europe, you have bigger variety. And I do enjoy the red line. The red line, it's intensive care. This particular one, it's for hands. And let me just show you. Here we go. It's thicker, but if your hands are really damaged and you need something to recuperate them or bring them back to the way they were, this is wonderful. This cream is for dry, damaged hands, has allantoin, glycerin, and it's one of those things which works. Within that line, there is, I think, hand cream, body cream, and body lotion. Either way, when you hand, they don't look good. This is great. So when I'm flying to Europe, 9 out of 10 times I'm gonna buy this cream because it's great. I already showed you this, and I didn't realize I have two of those, which is fine with me because, as you saw it for yourself, the texture was quite neat. Another of my favorites is the avocado body cream, vegan friendly avocado butter with vitamin E, and I'm already using it, and you can see it. It has a nice, pleasant, sweet scent. It's one of those calming, soothing scents which you do enjoy it. It's like a candy scent. Ugh. Yeah, it brings the good memories. I used this for many years, and it went through many makeovers. I remember I started using it when it was in a yellow or green package, and right now that's how it is, and that's the vegan formula. It does smells good. Have a small eye cream with gel with eye bright aloe, 10 grams, 0.35 ounce. Aloe, it's very soothing and hydrating, so I'm hoping this product should do the job.